Jack and King's presents frozen Kung Fu Snakehead Fish Fillets, live fish processing. We select premium mature snakehead fish, utilizing live fish for processing at low temperatures. This ensures maximum freshness, locking in the deliciousness in every piece of fish, creating the perfect blend of nutrition and flavor. The flesh of the snakehead fish is tender and intact, providing a delightful and delicate taste with each bite. Cooking is a breeze, simply wait for the broth to boil. Gently add the fillets to prevent sticking. Cook on high heat for 1 minute, and effortlessly savor the enticing color and fresh fragrance of the cooked fish, whether it's a family gathering or a quick cooking session. Kung Fu Snakehead Fish Fillets, live fish processing, will bring you high quality and delicious enjoyment. Experience the perfect combination of freshness and deliciousness. Jack and King's relentless pursuit of ingredient perfection makes Kung Fu Snakehead Fish Fillets the unique choice for your dining table, offering an unparalleled feast for your taste buds. Jack and King's, a taste of China anytime, anywhere.